Xbox.
If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, unscrew and remove bottom base. Then unplug battery connector. Now unscrew and remove battery. Next, unscrew power volume button circuit board. Then disconnect and remove circuit board. Then unscrew hard drive caddy. Now remove and disconnect hard drive. Now disconnect and remove speakers. Now unscrew and remove wireless bracket. Then disconnect antenna cables and remove wireless card. Now disconnect and remove CMOS battery. Next, disconnect cables from circuit board. Now unscrew and remove USB SD card circuit board. Now disconnect and remove daughter board. Now unscrew cooling fan. Next, disconnect and remove fan. Now unscrew and remove heatsink. Then disconnect cables from motherboard. Now unscrew and remove motherboard. Then unscrew and remove DC jack. Next, unscrew and remove display assembly. Need more? Check out these other tutorials. For batteries, click here. For hard drives, click here. For wireless cards, click here. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give this video a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check the video description below for links to written tutorials and replacement parts.